Nestled within the prestigious hills of Indian Creek neighborhood of West Plano on a premium golf course lot, this custom home stands as a testament to timeless elegance and modern luxury. Isn't that view fantastic? I cannot wait to show you inside this beautiful home. Let's go take a look. The home has undergone an extensive transformation under the expert guidance of a professional designer and general contractor. Now it emerges as a harmonious blend of sophistication, functionality, and impeccable craftsmanship. With just over 4,300 square foot of living space, this home features 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, a study, 3 living areas, a 3-car garage, and is in the top-rated Plano ISD. Meticulous attention to detail is evident throughout. The elegant formal dining room with a butler's pantry sets the stage for memorable entertaining. The formal living room invites relaxation by the fireplace and taking in the beautiful views from the expansive windows. The heart of this home is its impressive kitchen, a culinary haven designed for both practicality and style, featuring a see-through fireplace. The ceiling height cabinetry and quartz counters create a sleek canvas. The top-of-the-line stainless steel appliance packages are a chef's delight. The family room, accented with floor-to-ceiling windows, frame more stunning views of the backyard and golf course. The primary bedroom suite takes full advantage of the phenomenal and panoramic outdoor views. Its ensuite spa-like bathroom features exquisite fixtures. The second floor is completed with 2 additional spacious bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms. Enjoy the breathtaking views from the game room or from the expansive deck. Isn't this home fabulous? If you have any questions, please visit our website at janrichie.com or give me a call. I'm Donna Egan. I look forward to seeing you at our next home tour.